Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be showing you 4 simple products that I put on my 1-year-old daughter's hair. Oh yeah, if you're new to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. So I already washed out her hair and everything, but right now I'm gonna go ahead and put it in her head is the Jamaica castor oil. I like to put a little bit, just not too much, but a little bit, just to put some oil in her head. So I'm gonna go in and smack that on her hair right quick. Oh yeah, I am gonna leave all the products that I used in this video down below. So the next product I'm gonna be using is the Kids Extra Moisturizer Detangler. I love this product. When I tell you it get them naps out of your kid's hair, it's gonna get them naps out of there. I like to spray enough on there, so I just be spraying till I feel like it's enough detangler spray on her hair. The next product I'm going to be using is the Shea Moisturizer Kids Curling Buttercream. But before I put in the Shea Moisturizer Buttercream, I am going to put in her Johnson Curling Divine Leave-In Conditioner. I only like to put a tad bit on her hair because I usually don't use this product as much because it is a lot of bad reviews, but it haven't damaged her hair yet, so I do like to put this in her hair from time to time. So. Right now, I'm just showing y'all how long her hair is, and I kind of grew since last month. So I'm just gonna do like a little simple hairstyle with 2 pigtails in the front and 1 pigtail in the back. But she don't like me doing her hair like that, so I just like to keep her hairstyle simple. yes, guys, this is the final look right here. Just something simple. Anybody can do this. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and feel free to comment down below.